Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a secret tool by Google to actually create videos and images. So this tool is called as Google Whisk. You can use Nano Banana and View 3, both these tools in this single tool. So it's completely free to use Google Whisk. It doesn't come up with any kind of subscription as opposed to Google View 3, which is a subscription based tool. It's completely free here. You can just see, you can go to labs.google.com, and these are some of the videos I created using this. So I created this image, basically two dinosaurs sitting on a Google Office coding on a laptop. So these images are created using this tool. And then we also have the option to create video. We get this animate option, and I written this prompt to actually make these dinosaur animate and dance while coding. So let me play the video. So you also see the music is also added. So in this easy way, you can just see here, you can actually safely use it. So now to use it, it's very simple. You simply go to this, click on enter tool, and right in the chat prompt you will get this option. You can even add your own images as well. So if you want to add a own image, you can even add this option as well. So you can just see here. So all these images, you can basically provide a scene and then style as well, all these things. All your videos will appear right here. So here you can even change the aspect ratio as well, everything. So now let's suppose I say two cats doing coding on laptop. So Nano Banana model is safely, you can use it inside this Google Whisk rule. So in a matter of seconds, your images will be generated. So you can basically open a new project here. So two cats doing coding on laptop. So you can just see here, in a matter of seconds, I written this prompt here, and this Google Whisk tool is basically generating your images like Nano Banana. So it's a great alternative to Google Nano Banana. You can just see the quality of the image generated right here. It's premium quality. You have the download option. You can download this image as well. So it basically generates up to two images. And then we also get this animate option right here. You can basically click the animate option to turn the static image into a video. So right here you can give some instructions. So I can simply say make the cats fight with each other. So just written this instruction, and based upon, you get 5 video generations in the free plan. So you can basically, after you generate the image, simply click the animate button, and then once it reaches 100%, your video will be created and it will be displayed. So I basically can create beautiful looking videos with sound as well, using static images using this tool. So you also have the download button as well. You can safely download this video as well. So the concept is simple. It's free to use tool. Nobody talks about this, but this is a really insane tool to use. Google Nano Banana and Google View 3, which are both paid tools in this single free tool, which is offered by Google. It's a Google product, Google Whisk. So it's in beta mode, it's in experimental mode. Still, it is not publicly released. So that's why they are offering it for free. So now once it reaches 100%, your video will automatically get generated. So we can play the video here. The sounds are also added. Let me just play the audio as well. You can see that. So it has a watermark here of Google View. So it's using Google View 3 and Nano Banana in a single tool. So you can just see these are the videos. So you get up to 5 generations in the free plan. You can safely use it. You just need a Google account to use this tool. So definitely try this.